Hi guys, please watch this video to the end to see how I achieved this big box braid. So I am Tommy and thank you for being here. So I'll be making big box braid with this Brazilian wool. You can decide to pull the hair out after cutting it into your desired length. But for this video, I'm going to be using the hair like that without pulling it out. So you section your hair into two. It shouldn't be equal parts because I'm going to make the front part of the hair first before the back. So you section it into two. You section the front hair into two as well and divide as desired. Now because we're having big box braid, make sure the hair is not too thin. You don't divide it too thin. They have to be big as well. For this hair, I'll be using little black rubber band to pull each section of the hair together. Then we use our crochet pin to pull the attachment into the hair. You can get all these accessories in any hair beauty shop or supermarkets. You should be able to get that there. I sectioned the first half into 5, the second half into 5 as well, and the back should be like 12 or 15. Now this is the crochet pin. You put it through the root of your hair. Then you open the pin, the mouth of the crochet pin. You make sure the mouth is open so you can pass your attachment or your wool into it. So once that is done, you close it up, you pull it through your hair, you pull a section of the hair, then you make sure they are equal. I mean the attachment must be equal. Then you take a bigger part of your attachment, you put it round your hair, then you braid down. I have made the third of the hair here, but I'll still be showing you how to put your attachments through again. So we are done braiding here. So to put our plastic bead into the hair, you put the bead first inside your crochet pin, then you pass your hair through it. It will be easier for you like that. Then to secure it, you use a rubber band. You put the hair round the bead, you place a rubber band around it to support it. And we are done. So now you can trim the hair, then you lay your edges. Please do not mind the toothbrush. You can actually use your old toothbrush, or you can use the normal edge control brush. Yes, please feel free to use any brush of your choice, or even your comb. You can use your comb. If you don't have old toothbrush or the edge control brush, you can use a comb. Just lay the edges and we are good to go. But please guys, please subscribe, and if you have any question, please drop a comment, ask your question, and I'll be there to answer you. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please see me smiling here, like, yay, this hair is giving. It's giving. Thank you.